Hello everyone. This video is going to introduce the semiparametric differential graph models. Graphical models have been widely used to characterize the conditional dependency in multivariate distributions. For example, the Gaussian graphical model encodes the conditional dependency among multivariate normal data, which has been well studied in the literature. In many cases, it's more attractive to study how a graph will change under different conditions. This gives rise to the analysis of the differential graph. In this paper, we propose to directly estimate the differential graph instead of separately estimating two graphs and calculating the subtraction. The study of differential graph has many applications in practice. For example, in gene regulatory network, the gene expression in different cells or in the same cell under different conditions can vary a lot. In practice, the normality assumption in Gaussian graphical models is too strong. For instance, the gene expression values from high-throughput method, even after being normalized, do not follow a normal distribution. This motivates us to consider the semiparametric distribution instead, which is a broad class of generalization of the normal distribution. For two groups of samples from two transelliptic distributions with different latent precision matrices, we propose to estimate the differential graph delta star using the quasi-likelihood function. While the separate graphs are not necessarily sparse, it's reasonable to suppose that the differential graph is, which inspires us to add a regularizer to the optimization problem. In particular, we use the non-convex penalty function such as MCP and SCADE to obtain a faster rate of convergence. Our theoretical results show that the estimation error can be divided into two terms. The first term corresponds to the number of nudge entries in delta star, which is faster than existing results, and the second term corresponds to the number of small entries in delta star. It's also worth noting that our estimator achieves the oracle property when all the entries of delta star are sufficiently large. This means our method can fully recover the support of the unknown graph. Numeric simulations show that our estimator with MCP penalty achieves much more accuracy on support recovery. The performance of separate graphical lasso is much worse, especially when the separate graphs are not sparse but the differential graph is. The experiments on gene expressing data also verify the advantage of differential graph models in detecting differential expressing of genes. Thank you for watching.